Okay, now I wanted to introduce you to the cutting instructions. This is the fun part. So we have available, we have species number 1 to 10. And in this example, I've already set up a fir species. So if I wanted to rename it, I just simply touch on the fir word and I can rename it to whatever I want. Let's just change it to pine and press enter. And up in the top middle area, you can set, this is where you can view your presets 1 to 10, your presets 11 to 20, and over here you can see the details of those presets. In this example, it looks like I've already preset a tolerance window of 1.5 over and 0.2 of an inch under target, and a bark offset of 0 inches. All right, let's set up a preset. I'll go in and just edit the existing one that I've already done just to show you. And you can use on your joysticks, you can use your number pad from 1 to 9 to punch in these numbers. For example, if you're to set this up, you could press the number 3 and press the number 4 on your keypad, and it'll set up that as 34. And here, let's anytime you touch a window, you can see your plus or minus arrows, so you can adjust it just by touching and tapping. Okay, and let's set that to 11 foot 6 inch, say. Okay, so this is a typical preset. Let's just set up one more. Let's set up another one here. I'll just show you right from scratch. We'll set this up, let's say I don't know, 32 inch maximum. This is if you especially don't care what your maximums is, because you just set it to something really high. Your minimum diameter, let's set that to, I don't know, 3.5 inch. And the length of your log, let's set that to 20 foot 6 inch. Okay, save preset. Now, there's also something in here called the go-to minimum and the go-to maximum. Let's just enter this. The go-to presets are for, the go-to maximum is if your maximum diameter is achieved during feeding, it will then go to this certain preset that you select. And the same thing for the minimum diameter. If your minimum diameter of 5 inch in this example is achieved, you can set it to go to a new preset. So let's say I want it to go to preset 2. Let's save that. So on the table, if it's feeding along, it's trying to achieve an 11 foot 6 target, and it can't because, say, at 8 foot, it suddenly hit the below the 5 inch minimum diameter, it would then instantly jump to the second preset, and it's going to try to feed a 20 foot 6 with a minimum diameter of 3.5 inch. Maybe it'll get there. It's as simple as that, guys. It's I don't think that you need anything too much more complicated than that.